sklearn. Cluster. Spectral clustering. Description. Spectral clustering is a clustering algorithm that uses the eigenvalues and eigenvectors of a Laplacian matrix of a similarity graph to perform clustering. It is particularly useful when the data is nonlinear and has complex structures, as it can effectively identify clusters that are not easily separable by traditional methods. Inputs. Affinity. This is the type of similarity measure to use for constructing the similarity graph. It can be a string nearest neighbors, RBF, etc., or a callable function that takes two data points as input and returns a similarity score. N clusters. This is the desired number of clusters. Assign labels. The label assignment strategy. K-means uses K-means clustering on the spectral embedding, while discretize uses the cluster centers based on the eigenvector values. Outputs. Labels an array of cluster labels for each data point. Steps. Construct the similarity graph. The algorithm first constructs a similarity graph based on a input data and the specified affinity function. This graph represents the pairwise relationships between data points, with edges representing similarity and weights representing the strength of similarity. Compute the Laplacian matrix. The Laplacian matrix is a mathematical representation of a similarity graph that captures its connectivity properties. Find the eigenvectors. The algorithm then finds the eigenvectors of the Laplacian matrix, corresponding to the smallest eigenvalues. These eigenvectors are called spectral embedding and represent the low-dimensional representation of the data in the spectral space. Apply clustering. Finally, clustering algorithms such as K-means or a discretization method are applied to the spectral embedding to assign cluster labels to each data point. Metrics. Silhouette score measures how well a data point is clustered by comparing its distance to points in its own cluster with its distance to points in other clusters. Kalinski-Haraba's index measures the ratio of between cluster variance to within cluster variance, favoring clusters with high separation and low internal variability. Visualization plots. Scatter plot with cluster assignments. Plot the data points in a 2D or 3D space, colored according to their assigned cluster labels. This helps visualize the cluster structures. Spectral embedding plot. Visualize the spectral embedding of the data, which captures the nonlinear relationships between data points. Fine-tune parameters. N neighbors. Number of neighbors to use in the nearest neighbors affinity method. Gamma kernel coefficient for the RBF kernel in the RBF affinity method. Uncertainty methods. Bootstrap. Repeat the clustering process multiple times with different random subsets of the data to estimate the variability of cluster assignments. Bayesian spectral clustering. Incorporate prior information about the cluster structure through a probabilistic framework. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1. Sensitive to noise in the data. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 1 when the data contains outliers or noisy points. The similarity graph can be distorted, leading to inaccurate clustering. Fixes to challenge 1. Pre-process the data to remove noise or outliers. Use robust affinity functions that are less affected by noise. Challenge 2. Determining the optimal number of clusters. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 2. The number of clusters is often unknown and needs to be determined from the data. Fixes to challenge 2. Use elbow method or silhouette analysis to evaluate different numbers of clusters and choose the best one.